Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to CRM Once. Today I am discussing about how to send an email when a Microsoft form is submitted by using Power Automate. First we have to create a Microsoft form. Next fill the details and finally click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, then a Power Automate automatically send an email to the Excel spreadsheet. For more details, please check the below description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.